stress. It's the invisible weight that can drag us down, cloud our thoughts, and disrupt our well-being. But what if we could lift that burden with a few simple strategies? Stress sneaks into our lives through various doors: job dissatisfaction, chronic illness, or even the emotional toll of a divorce. Recognizing these triggers is the first step towards reclaiming your peace of mind. Imagine ending your day feeling serene and in control. Small changes to your routine, like observing emotional habits, can make a big difference. It's about transforming tension into tranquility. Your plate is more than a meal. It's a tool for stress management. Swap out those high-fat, sugary temptations for protein-rich and fiber-filled choices. Embrace fruits and veggies packed with vitamins A, C, and E, and watch your stress levels dip as your energy balances out. Let your body dance away the stress with activities that release those feel-good endorphins. Whether it's a brisk walk, a calming yoga session, or the strength-building rhythm of weight training, each movement is a step towards serenity. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to stress. Keep a stress journal, pinpoint where tension tightens its grip, and strategize your escape. By understanding your stress patterns, you can dismantle them before they take hold. Stress doesn't have to be your constant companion. With these tips and tricks, you can lighten your load and sharpen your focus. It's time to breathe out the worry and breathe in a sense of calm.